So, can an $850 investment into Shiba Inu today make you $1 million? The short answer is yes, it can. The more complex answer is when. So, we're going to take a look at this. Can an $850 investment in Shiba Inu today make you a millionaire? Yes, the answer is yes. The big things to consider here is that it's going to take time. It's not going to happen tomorrow. It's going to be years and years down the road. But it should be for that type to turn an 850 bucks into a million. Yeah, it should take you some time. By the way, I would also tell you, hey, think about it this way. Look at it from the standpoint of if you were to do it, how long would it take you to become a 10,000-aire or 100,000-aire off of that price? And so let me show you. Here is currently what SHIB's trading at. It's 508. So let's do that. Let's add that 1, 2. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 509. Okay, so 850 bucks today, if you bought it, would buy you 103 million. Let me make sure that's right. Yeah, 103 million Shiba Inu tokens. That's what you purchase them for. That's the sell price. By the way, I use good calculators for this. This is a stock calculator, but I just use it for crypto. So you can see if you bought it, basically today's price, and then if you sold it at 509, you would make $96 profit. Woohoo! Actually, but that's an 11% return in the stock world. That's pretty good. All right, here we go. So what I want to do now is I basically want to delete a zero. So let's go. Let's say we went from 509 to 409. Okay. So by the way, 409 is just right above our all-time high. Okay. So if you were to do that, just that, to buy it and then hold it until we basically get back to our all-time high, which is 4088 is actually what it was, then you would actually make, look, that 830 bucks would turn into 9,000. That's what you'd sell it for. And this is your profit. You would make $8,444, $445 worth of profit. That's a 1,016% return on investment. Remember, what did I say? Kind of that 10,000-aire scenario. And again, I think that this is we've already been here, by the way. SHIB's already reached this. Remember, Shiba Inu reached that. And at that point, it was a market capitalization of about 48 billion is what the market cap for SHIB was at that time when we reached that. And you see right now, SHIB is at a 4.7 billion. So there you go. That's basically 10x from where we're at now. Okay, so you can kind of continue to go forward. Let's say we drop another zero, which what would happen is we need to reduce the supply, right? Shibarium, reduce that supply by trillions and trillions, tens and hundreds of trillions over time. That you're talking about years down the road now, which all this could be entirely possible for 2030. Okay, so 409 would net you 92,000 a sell price and a profit of 91,000. 831 bucks would net you a profit of 91,000. Probably 3 or 4 or 5 years down the road, if everything goes well, all of crypto. And the other thing I'll tell you, remember, this doesn't happen in a vacuum. For SHIB to go up to those valuations, we've got to have that number right there, right? We got to, the entire crypto market's got to go to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trillion dollars. Okay. Which again will happen. We know that it's coming. We have crypto regulation coming that's going to give us regularity and clarity. Say that really fast. We're going to have Main Street brokerage houses, JP Schwab, Fidelity, Morgan, all those guys are going to, BlackRock. I said they're going to start offering crypto related products to their people. You got BlackRock with their Bitcoin ETF. You got everybody. Believe me, traditional finance organizations that want to sell crypto to their customers, they do. Okay, that's coming after regulatory clarity. There you go. Okay, so that's a fantastic return. And again, it's almost like, here's how I would say it. I did a live stream this morning with my buddy Zach. We were talking about it. It's like literally go buy 850 bucks and lock it up. Put it on a cold storage wallet. Forget you have it. Come back 5, 6 years from now, it will be worth so much money, in my opinion. Of course, I think you can say that for any and all cryptos, in my personal opinion. And finally, let's get to the last one. So we basically have got to go to 209 for that to be worth basically $1 million. There is your return. 830 to get to that profit and loss. There you go. That's the number. So if you bought it today at 508, you'd have to get to 209. And remember, everybody wants to talk about this number. and let's change that to a penny. And a penny, if when we get there, 830 equals $1,029,857. Bada bing. Sure, everything's possible, right? And we're obviously speculating. And again, I'm not telling you to go buy Shiba Inu and and all that kind of stuff. There's videos, not investing advice, but it's just to paint the picture, right, and to give you clarity and insight into kind of this is possible. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at SHIB before we leave. We still got kind of momentum down things going on here. This is on the 2-hour chart. I'll see you.